Noi kai school SSA mentakasni ke sautrik no para ajak pusau kila syong jingalang hakasin ke baar kepala khot dak sorkar banyak keren halor kimat jingdawa bakila bu hakini kipor beladab hakani ke jingalang ladon langru komisioner sekretari Vijay Mantri bab director school literacy education usapnil tambe haba keren sekila patai kebor nakaliang upusdan kami khalia SSA school asusion uba aristol rembai ulong baka sorkar kala pedang ya santli kimat kibaki noi kai kila pesngo syak sorkar.
Ini ka meeting kebala khot daga education department bat kebala chair dan Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri commissioner and secretary jong education department haka jingin don lang jong i director of school education and literacy isar Swamil Tembe bat kumjuru haka jingin don lang i deputy state project director isar Andrew Wadri kabanang kong ila pentip changi ka association kata chaka Meghalaya SSA school association bat ka Four Teachers Association ila pentip ba kamdon ar cadets katkum ka guidelines jong ka government of India Henry baro nado ka SSA bat ka government ma kidai ban hapo kawe ka management bat ka kata ka de ban pay da ka government Henry hastin Meghalaya jongi la pentri kam baklaya kani bat nami kumni ar cadets ka bamut SSA cadets bat government cadets kata ka point number 1 ka ba la pentip sini point number 2 lohong ba nakaliang jong ka state government kalayo pdiang shipun kila ki chithi na ka ministry of education jong ka sarkar India hakabala direct yaki ba kin penbeg yakani ka bakla the based on this letter but kumjur yakai ka ba nakaliang jongi ila dawa menta ban wanra yaka policy na menta ka job security jong ki nohikai SSA hapo Meghalaya kumale hakiwe ki state nakaliang jong ki menta kila shim yaka sinjam kumno ban wanra yakane ka policy kata ka point number 2 point number 3 nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ro pentip yangi nakito ki pratli ki mat ki bangila depan summit aka first meeting ka bala nila syong hak pratli jong 9 November jong tausnem naki pratli the education department have take into consideration 5 points the further discussion regarding these 5 points will be on the next meeting which is supposed to be held on the before Christmas within this month of December.